Question 1. NCF 2005 states that mathematics teaching should be ambitious, coherent and important. Here ambitious refers to the achievement of answer is higher goals of mathematics. Question 2. In class 1, the concept of even number and the odd number was introduced by the activity of pairing the given number with concrete objects. Then the teacher asked the students to check whether the total number of crayons in their color boxes is even in number or odd in number, whether the number of pages in their math notebook is odd or even. This task of finding even or odd number of crayons or pages is answer is assessment for learning. Question 2. How many rectangles are there in the following figure? The above question is testing. Answer is understanding of learner. Question 4. Which of the following activities is meant to enhance the problem solving abilities of a student of class 1? Answer is a group projects how the students of the primary wing shall be distributed equally in 4 houses so that every house has talented students from sports, arts, cultural and academic activities. Question 5. From the unit of fraction, the teacher asked the students to list any 5 fractions. This question refers to answer is lower level of thinking. Question 6. In an exercise, the question was measure the length of the line segments. CTET FAB 2014 paper 1 question 42 question 1. The CTET FAB 2014 paper 1 question 14th. Second, the child answered length of AB equal to 5 cm, length of AB equal to 3 cm. This is referred to answer is error due to the habit of naming a line segment as AB. Question 7th, a teacher distributed a newspaper in class 5th and asked the students to read the cricket scores of the Indian team in the latest match. Then she asked them to draw bar graph of the scores. The teacher is trying to answer is help the students to make connections between mathematical concepts and real life. Question 8. A student was asked to read the following numbers 306, 408, 4008, 4010. He read as follows 36, 48, 408, 4010. The reason for the error in reading is that answer is the student is not able to understand the concept of place value and feels comfortable using 2-digit numbers only. Question 9. The tall shape of mathematics mentioned in NCF 2005 refers to answer is the building of one concept on other. Question 10. Consider the following 5 plus 3 equal to what? The open-ended question corresponding to the above close-ended question is answer is give any two numbers whose sum is 8. Question 11. Farhan went to the school library and found that 100 books kept in the story section are spoiled. 20 books are missing, 219 are kept on a shelf and 132 were issued to students. How many storybooks were there in the library? The teacher can teach the following value through this question. Answer is taking good care of books. Question 12. A teacher in grade 6 provided each child with a centimeter grid paper and a pair of scissors. She wanted them to explore how two-dimensional shapes can be folded into three-dimensional objects. Which of the following concepts are the students exploring? Answer is nets. Question 13. When doing exponents, the work observed in a learner's notebook was as follows. 43 into 42 equal to 45, 64 into 64 equal to 68, 73 into 37 equal to 2110. The learner has not understood how to answer is multiply numbers with different bases. Question 14. The teachers, while discussing problem solving, as an approach to the teaching of mathematics articulated 4 views. Which of the following views does not justify the real meaning of this approach? Answer is, I think there is no correct correlation between problem solving and mathematical reasoning. Question 15. Under the topic use of exponents to express small numbers in standard form, the following facts are stated. First, the speed of light is 3 million meter per second. Second, the height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meter. Third, the diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 0.0000003 meter. Fourth, the size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. The above examples are used to express each stated number in standard form. Use of such examples, answer is, reflects the interdisciplinary approach. Question 16. According to Jean Piaget's theory, answer is, introduction of linear equation and learning techniques of solving it are assimilation, and extending the concept to pair of linear equations may raise the problem of accommodation. Question 17. Maths lab activities can be used for, answer is, formative assessment only. Question 18. According to Bloom's revised taxonomy, the cognitive objective that can be achieved through the following task: prepare a PowerPoint presentation on contribution of Indian mathematicians is, answer is, creating. Question 19. A student writes 10 cm by 11 cm equal to 5 by 6 cm and 15 km by 15 meter equal to 1000 meter. Answer is, has concept of units, conversation of units, fractions, but missed the concept that ratio does not have units. Question 20. A lesson plan on a unit of mensuration includes one of the instructional objectives as follows: learners will be able to understand the application of mathematics. This instructional objective is, answer is, inappropriate as the objective is vague and ill-defined. Question 21. The present NCERT textbooks on mathematics are written keeping in mind the recommendations of, answer is, National Curriculum Framework 2005. Question 22. Ankur got 0 marks and a word problem on linear equation in an assessment. The teacher knows that he can solve linear equations correctly. The teacher ought to remark in his report that, answer is, Ankur has a problem in comprehending the language of the question, though he can solve the equations. Question 23. Algebra is introduced in the middle classes. According to Piaget's theory of cognitive development, it is appropriate to introduce algebra at this stage. Answer is, the child is at the concrete operational stage and can understand and conceptualize concrete experiences by creating logical structure. Question 24. According to one high level levels of geometric thought, the 5 levels of geometric understanding are visualization, analysis, informal deduction, formal deduction, and rigor. Students of class 8th are asked to classify the quadrilaterals according to their properties. These students are at dash level of 1 helix geometrical thought. Answer is, analysis. Question 25th. A task assigned to a class 8th student is as follows. An open box is to be made out of a metallic sheet of 50 cm into 65 cm. Length and breadth of the box are 30 cm into 15 cm respectively. What is the possible height of the box? Also find the volume of this box. This task refers to, answer is, higher level of cognitive demand as it requires the use of conceptual understanding. that underlines the procedure to complete the task. Question 26. A child of class 7th defined the rectangle as follows. Rectangle is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel and equal. The definition reflects that the child, answer is, knows some properties but missed some other important properties to complete the definition. Question 27. How does a square form a parallelogram? Explain. The students are asked to write the answer to the above question. The objective of the teacher is, answer is, giving an opportunity for students to think and reflect. Question 28. It is observed that to a problem like show that the sum of any two odd numbers is an even number, most of the students replied by quoting one example, say 5 plus 7 equal to 12. Students answered these questions inappropriately as, answer is, students have not learned the logical proof for the statement in the class. Question 29. Read the following question from class 6th textbook. Prabal deposited rupees 5,000 in a bank at the rate of 5% interest per annum. After 2 years, he withdrew the money to purchase the study table for rupees 3,500. He deposited the money left with him again at the rate of 5% interest per annum for another 2 years. How much amount will he receive after 2 years? What value can be inculcated in students through this question? Answer is habit of saving money and spending it wisely. Question 30. Following is a problem from textbook of class 5th. Express the following statement through linear expression. Neha has 7 more toffees than Megha. If Megha has X toffees, how many toffees does Neha have? Which comprehension of Bloom's cognitive domain is referred to in the above question? Answer is comprehension.